Hey, Joe Mastriano, CPA. Do you want the biggest refund? I know you do. I do too. However, what I've experienced over the years, 40 years, and thousands of successful IRS cases, many tax preparers have brought their clients to me after they've been audited, and many people have come to me because they were audited because their tax preparer was audited. Let me tell you how it happens. Some of these large companies, especially the ones that have like 50 or more employees, word gets around, oh, go to this person. I got a huge refund last year. And someone else says, yes, I went there too, and I got a huge refund also. Now, what I've experienced though is, and I've done representations before the IRS for tax preparers themselves. And what I've experienced is what happens, the preparer clients, a few of them get audited, and then they look at the preparer, and then the preparer gets in trouble, and they say, well, it's time to look at all of the returns that that preparer does. So if you hang around, if you do business and deal with people who are breaking the law and arbitrarily using the tax laws being stretched to try to get you extra deductions, although most of them just put phony deductions down. Cracks me up when I see it. And, people that have just a few years experience doing returns think they're smart enough to outsmart the IRS, and they cause their clients to be audited. So be smart this year. There are legal ways to reduce your taxes, not the ones that people on LinkedIn. I got an email from some girl who said, I specialize in reduction, and how would you like to reduce your taxes this year? If somebody's first introduction with you is that they're claiming to save you on taxes, run the other way, because what those people do is they take a laundry list of items and they apply it to your return, and they go, oh, look at how much I saved you. So isn't it worth the $3,500 that you paid me? And then they have no understanding and of what the IRS needs for proof of those items, nor do they explain them to you. If I'm wrong, come forward and email me and tell me that you've hired one of these people and they sat down and they explained to you exactly what you needed to prove each of those deductions that they got for you. I'll do a video and apologize, but I know it's not going to happen. So that's my message in this video. We all want the biggest refund. Heck, last year I got a big refund, but that was because I overpaid my withholding tax because I thought my business was going to be more profitable and I was going to get a bigger profit on the K1 from the company, but that profit was very small. So I overpaid my withholding by a big amount. Not a very smart thing. I want to say I gave them free interest. They did pay me about $1,200 in interest, so it wasn't too bad. Um, but that's usually why people get refunds. A lot of people wind up owing money to the IRS because, again, they go all year long, don't get proper advice. And I've got clients who have used CPA firms, and it doesn't matter if you don't know when your taxes are due, you can get in trouble. I mean, that's a simple question. Ask yourself, when exactly are your taxes due? And if you don't know the answer to that in your particular instance, because taxes are due at different times for different people, depending on the sources and timing of their income. But if you don't know when your taxes are due, then there's a good chance you'll wind up paying a lot of money in interest and penalties. And you thought you were doing good trying to save a couple of $100 because you shopped around for tax preparation fees. I mean, we're not even expensive, but there's people who want to get away with paying like $200 or $300 for a return that has many schedules. These national tax preparation companies who only are there during tax season mostly, they charge more than that even. So if you want our help, call Stephanie 713-774-4467. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my videos. This month during January, probably February, I'm going to be kicking out videos, looking to get on many podcasts. I'm just sick and tired of these multi-services making more money than us by lying and taking clients away from people like me who want people to do the right thing, but they're not going to spend. We don't spend 20 minutes to do a tax return and charge you $300. We have an hourly rate, and it's probably lower than you think. I've got several clients that are not CPA firms that charge more than I do for tax preparation. But the important thing is that you don't involve yourself with one of these fly-by-night tax preparers that 2 years from now, they move to another state, or they're not doing returns anymore. They got into cryptocurrency. I've had my CPA firm for over 40 years. Stephanie's been with me for about 11 years, Robin about 7 years, and we're going to build a little from there. But I have no patience for people who don't treat our clients like individuals and take care of you. So, I mean, I always say in my email tags and in other areas, never fear the IRS. If you're a client of mine, I want you to never fear the IRS. If you're a client of mine and you're listening to this and you fear the IRS, give Stephanie a call and talk to me. I don't care if you've done anything illegal over the past few decades. I've represented people who have done things that are illegal. Doesn't matter. Uh, Yesterday was yesterday, and today you need the best help you can get. Thank you. I'm going to end this.